Okay, test number 1 using the brake lever adjustment knob. Let's see if this one will work. Anyway, I tried it a while ago. Woohoo! Okay, so this is test number 2 using the cable ties and a tape, electrical tape to be exact. So I'm gonna pull the lever. For today, I'm gonna try install a trunk release cable for our Civic EG hatch. This is a replacement cable only. It says here it came from Japan, Shibami, I don't know. Anyway, this trunk release cable is for the Civic ESIs, or we call them sedan, the 4 doors. I think it's the same with the coupe or the Del Sol CRX. Definitely not for the hatch. This one measures at 139.5 inches. I measured it using a tape measure from end to end, this end to the other end here. Now there are 2 ways on how to do a custom fit or do a hack or a mod. First, you can use a cable tie, or should I say second, this will be my second option. You can also try use a brake lever adjustment knob like this. This one is more sturdy and it will last quite long, maybe a few years, but you have to shell out a couple of bucks. I don't know how much this thing costs at your place. And first, let's try go ahead and install this part on what you call this, I don't know. So let me grab my gear. Okie dokes. Let's try and install this first. You need this sucker. Okay, let's try and install this. There's like a notch that you need to align and install it like so. Lock it. Use a tape. I need to use a tape to avoid unwanted noise. And then install them. Unfortunately, we don't have a good angle, so you won't see the whole process of installing it. And she's now installed. Make sure this part over here locks up. This one. So we're gonna try it. Gonna close it first. Okay, test number 1 using the brake lever adjustment knob. Let's see if this one will work. Anyway, I tried it a while ago. Woohoo! It freaking worked. So all we need to do is line them all up, install it properly under the plastic interiors and the carpet. But I need to try the second option, which is the cable tie. So give me a sec. Alright, here's the option 2, cable ties. I just have to cut them, last 2. Another one. Maybe 4 cable ties will do. Or you also may need to use a tape so they won't jumble up. They will all be in place. I wonder if I can still install this with the tape. So time to install her back. Testing. She's now installed and we're gonna test her out. Okay, so this is test number 2 using the cable ties and a tape, electrical tape to be exact. So I'm gonna pull the lever. It freaking works. It worked. Bang hole and it's raining. It worked. I guess I'm just gonna stick with the cable ties and see how long they will last. I don't want to spend $2 for the brake lever adjustment knob. Anyway, this is just me. I cannot find the exact trunk release cable for the hatch, and even though used and replacement ones, I cannot find anything for the Civic EG hatch. I found the one for sedans, so 4-door ESIs, or I think compatible with Del Sols, but this one is way much longer, and that's the only hack or mod that I did to make it work. I know it's kind of silly, but it works. So while I'm looking for the exact trunk release cable for the hatch, I'm just gonna use this for a while. So next thing I need to do is line them all up, install them properly under the interior plastic trims and the carpet, and then I guess I'm all set. Anyway, I think I don't need to show that to you guys, so that's just all for now. And it's raining right now here in Manila. Oh boy, so that's all, guys. Waste, that's what we call here in PH. Adios.